In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website using Canva for free. We'll start right on the Canva homepage. In the search bar at the top, type the word website and press enter. This opens a dedicated gallery of website layouts designed for different purposes, so you don't have to build from scratch. Take a moment to browse the templates. You'll see options like portfolio, event, and business. Pick a layout that fits your goal and make sure it's marked as free. If you see a crown icon, that means it's a paid element, so skip those to keep everything completely free. Once you select a free template, it'll open in Canva's drag and drop editor, where you can customize everything. Start by updating the text. Click directly on any placeholder headline or paragraph and type your own content. Keep headlines concise and clear, so visitors know exactly what each section is about. Next, add your visuals. You can upload your own images and videos, or head to the Elements tab to search Canva's free library. Drag items onto the page, then use the handles to resize or crop. Try to keep a consistent look across sections so your site feels cohesive. To quickly change the overall vibe, open the Styles tab. Here you can apply new color palettes and font combinations across the entire site with a single click. This is the fastest way to align the design with your brand or event theme without editing every element one by one. If you don't love the first look, try another palette or font pair until it feels right. Now, let's make it interactive. To add a hyperlink, highlight any text or select a graphic. Click the link icon that looks like a chain and paste your URL. This is great for linking to forms, social profiles, or external pages. For internal navigation, such as jumping from a menu item to a section on the same site, use Link to Page. Choose the destination section and Canva will connect them. This helps visitors move through your content smoothly, especially on longer scrolling pages. When you are happy with the design, click Preview. Toggle between desktop and mobile views to check spacing, font sizes, and button taps. If something looks off, return to the editor and make quick adjustments. When everything looks good, click Publish Website to make your site live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.